Si Patrick Tulfo sa Rapido ni Tulfo. Rapido ni Tulfo.
That is good news, 20 to 30 boxes. Pero sir, yung pong talagang, yung para bang malaki yan sir na binabanggit nyo, do you think sir, anytime soon, nakita nyo, magsisimula na sir ang delivery po niyan?
Sir, sabi po sa inyo nung huli po tayo nagkausap, we're doing our best. And of course, syempre sir, hindi yun yung best na effort. Talagang meron pong talaga tayong ano dyan. Yung huling usap po natin sa mga prospective na mga logistics provider, meron po tayong na-map out na proseso. And they suggested sir na mag-pull out tayo pa isa-isa ng container.
Yes sir.
So kahit pa paano sir, we're looking at, if not by next week, the first week of May sir, we would be able to pull out one container para lang po ano na siya sir, makuha na yung mga kahon and then mairetag and then unti-unti mai-deliver. As for the rest of the containers sir, the procurement documents have already been signed and we're just waiting for the submission of the prospective bids ng ating mga logistics provider.
So ayun. Alright. So ASEC yung pong pakiusap namin sir. Sana po pag nagbukas kayo ng container sir, sana maisama po yung ating team para naman po mapakita sa mga humingi ng tulong sa amin. ASEC, if you don't mind.
Yes sir. Kung matutuloy po yung next week na one container, the following week, we would be inviting you sir. Or
thank you.
Bulk na sir, which we project anytime during May din naman po papasok yun.
Alright.